Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sunday, and I hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. I posted that poll earlier with that picture of Chloe smiling. Isn't that smile so beautiful? Oh man, it just warms up my heart. But I asked, hey, did you want an update of Chloe or 416 Dentistry? And I got all these messages flooding in saying they want to see both. So I'm back here at 416 Dentistry, and this is going to be our very final Sunday project update. This is week 24. I didn't do one last week because I just got too busy. There's too many things going on, and I just needed to spend time also with my family. So sorry about that, everybody. But this week we are going to be doing this one here, and this is going to be the last one. So I really want to thank everybody that tuned in every Sunday watching these updates. I hope you really learned something from my journey and from my experience. Learn from the good things that I did, the mistakes, and so when you follow your dreams, everything will be smooth and perfect. So I had to bring out Rocco the raccoon. There you go, represents for this grand finale here. Remember, we're going to have a limited edition IVIVI Toronto tee for our grand opening. So details to come on how you can comp one of those at a later date. So let's get in here and do this very final week 24 update. So I'm turning the corner here, and we're gonna open the door. All right, so we're gonna start off with this. So we got a IVIVI 416 Dentistry rug here for a warm welcome. Isn't that really dope? Isn't that cool? And here we go. Let's go wide again. There you go. So again, we got the beautiful design, and now we got our sign here. This is going to be a backlit sign here. It's not on yet, but it's already looking so amazing. It has this metallic finish. It's going to be backlit there. So big shout out to Wayne Signs here in Markham, Scarborough. They do an amazing job. Family-owned business, doing incredible work. So if you ever need sign work done, definitely pay them a visit. Again, our slats, look at that. That's awesome. Look how beautiful that is. We got Sonos speakers up there in order to provide an audio experience here in our reception area. And oh, they did that sign too. Isn't that dope? And then we got our TV right behind here that's going to be showing our content that we create at 416 Dentistry. Isn't that cool? All right, and then we got our discovery room. I'm gonna go wide again. In our discovery room here, we're gonna be getting our glass. In the glass, there we go, this is me. This is gonna be a display case with all the products us dental professionals are gonna recommend to our patients so that they can actually see exactly what they're gonna purchase before they do. So this is amazing. It's underlit here with the mirrors. It just looks awesome. So gonna get out of the discovery room here. Again, this is our beverage station. Still a few things gotta get worked on there. This is our first off. Again, this is not gonna be finished until later on, but the three ones at the back are already completed. Oh, there's some teas in here. And our bathroom here, our washroom, looking great. Look at that. It has those mirrors again, sinks in, so it's coming along, everybody. Glass still has to come in here in order to encase each of these operatories. It's really important for us to create a healthy work environment and a safe environment for our patients. So again, we went with enclosed treatment rooms with doors, negative pressure rooms with HEPA and carbon air filtration within the centralized duct system there. We got our surgically clean air, medical grade air purifier there. This is the hygiene room here. It's a great space here with a lot of great tech. We already started organizing a few things here. You can see it's starting to look great, guys. And we just put the airflow. This is Swiss technology, guys. This is really great stuff. An elevated dental hygiene experience. So I'm really looking forward to our patients and for me to be able to experience what everybody's talking about in Europe. So Swiss technology here in 416 Dentistry in Toronto. And this is our pan room with our Dentsply Sirona pan, all the IT. Big shout out to Starcom who installed all this IT here. It's seamless, it's immaculate, it looks amazing. Here's our iTero. This is some pretty neat tech, guys. So I can't wait to allow patients to see what this type of technology can do for them. We're doing baseline wellness scans for all of our patients so that they have records of their dentition, of their oral condition when they first actually step foot in 416 Dentistry, so that we can track everything. It's so important to have these digital records because we live in a digital era. So this is our 8X sterilization center with our great Lexa here. This is the Hydrum instrument washer, all the SciCan stuff here. This is some great stuff to keep everybody healthy and safe at 416 Dentistry. Here's our office area here, and the operatory's back here, and this is our little staff room at the back here. Tons of storage. Already started stocking the fridge. Big shout out to Don Go Cake Labs in Scarborough, now in Richmond Hill. Thanks for stopping by in order to give me some ice cream. You got to stock up the freezer with some ice cream. There you go. So, and drinks too. Thanks. You know what? I actually might take this for later. All right. So I'm going to flip. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Like I said, I really appreciate everybody watching these updates every Sunday morning. I am, again, terribly sorry for all the delays. Construction during COVID-19 has not been easy, but your support really pushes me to get this done, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. I can see the finish line. I can't really wait to see all your faces and smiles here at the brand new dental studio, our flagship studio here in Scarborough. So everybody that signed up for the newsletter on our website and all our existing patients, you will be getting a notification in your inbox very shortly in order to fill out your digital health history and dental history form so that you're a patient here. And so again, I can't wait to see everybody, and thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your patience because I know for a fact that we're going to be making such a big difference together in this community. So this wraps up our very last project update, broadcasting live at 416 Dentistry here in Toronto. We'll see you all soon. Peace.